We have no new model Range Rovers left. We've sold them all, but this has just arrived. It's a 2024 facelift model Land Rover Range Rover D300 SE, but it's got some great extras. It's finished in Santorini Black. The extras are in the key. 23-inch wheels, sliding sunroof, clear sight camera. It's a great buy, this car, priced at $94,990. And we've been selling them because customers are realising, buy something like this, it's done just over 5,000 miles, saving in the region of about £20,000 on the new price, and get something with Land Rover warranty, as new condition, at a reasonable price. Santorini Black, you've got massive spec as standard on the big new Range Rover. You've got digital adaptive headlights. I've spoke about the wheels, which are a big option, 23-inch wheels, split spoke in gloss black. Privacy glass on the rear, again that's an option. And then as we move to the rear, just to show you the styling, then wonderful LED lights, the big rear bumper. I'll show you in the boot as well, which is huge. Look at the size of that. All them seats drop if you want to as well, just like that. Very, very easy. But why this is all so popular, it's Santorini Black. We've got 23-inch black wheels, but if you look inside, I'll show you inside now, soft closed doors, start in the back, is the way it's been spec'd. So they've gone ebony, they've gone piano gloss black finish, and you've got an ebony roof lining, which I think in a black car is nice, is lovely. You've got cabin lighting, you can see. That sunroof is sliding. You've got rear heated seats, rear climate control, a lot of the features. What you get, things like soft closed doors, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise. They are standard features. As I climb in, memory seats, Meridian speaker. I touched on it earlier, saying that the car is a facelift model. So as you can see, you've got none of the dials underneath there. And then you've got your screen with your things like your climate control, your front and rear heated screens all down the side there. Up here, like I said, big extra. On a Range Rover, it's standard, you get a glass roof, but you don't get a tilt and sliding opening sunroof. So that's a big added extra. Let me just show you some of the other features. So like I said about the screen, you've got your full 360 camera system with park assist. And also you've got the clear sight camera there, that's been paid for as an option. You've got things like wireless Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, you've got your driver assistance, which is all your safety features. If I slide that, you've got a wireless charging to drop under there. Car's done 5,500 miles. And a great buy, the right price. It's got the upgraded wheels, it's got the right interior colour, it's got the sliding sunroof. And like I touched on at the start, I've got no new model Range Rover. As soon as we're getting them, they're selling very, very quickly. The number is on the screen if you want to call me direct and want any more information. Thank you for watching.